description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got this one. This came out of a Nakama Noodles box. They don't make those anymore, so you can go over to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, Mall, M-A-L-L, meowmall.com, and check out the ramen they got there. They got some good stuff. Yeah, you should go look. And yeah, we just had some technical difficulties, a rarity on this program. So I kind of jumped around and freaked out, but we're back. I don't foresee any more issues. Hopefully not. Okay. So we got our sachet of veg that comes with it that's going in. I think this is a 3-minute steep. That's my guess. I guess we'll find out. There's the noodle block. 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure. Yes. 3. So, yeah. God, I'm beat. Anyway, so here is this. Just for those who might be unclear on how you tell. Okay, see that big 3? That's how many minutes. See that number underneath it? The 350 ml? That's how many milliliters of water you add. So that's what I usually do because I end up cutting up the styrofoam bowl. On the obverse of the lid, yeah, that's a word. You've got. I get that he's a ship captain, but honestly, with the wings, now I'm thinking maybe he's an airline pilot. Does he have wings on this one? He does. I think he's an airline pilot. Airline pilot Pikachu. And you got your little, what's that guy? I can't remember. But there's plenty of Pokemon to go around. There's way too many Pokemon. You'll never catch them all. No. Don't make an attempt to catch them all. If you do, you will be sad. It won't work out. I don't know. How many of you watching really want to catch all the Pokemon? Oh, that many. Okay. Yep. Steeping it up on a Monday morning. It's 2 minutes to noon. 2 minutes. And yeah. So I got this one, I got one more, and then I'll try to bust out as much of my editing junk as I can, and then I'll have lunch with my wife, and then finish it up and possibly start getting ready to do the stuff for tomorrow's episodes. But yeah. Review. This weather is just so gross. It's like I was telling my wife, we got a taco time. It's just like a really overpriced Mexican restaurant down the hill. It's Northwest Fresh Mex. Yeah. Anyways, stupid expensive. And the air is so thick and heavy all the way up the hill, almost all the way here. You can smell their fryers. You can smell, it smells like some kind of, Mex kind of seasoning. And the air just seems full of, it's like the air is like rich. It's like the air is full of chicken fat. I don't know how else to explain it. It's really not so nice currently outside. It's just kind of filthy. The world of Kenmore is filthy right now. Okay, there we are. Here's our noodle. This is a very standard one, and I have had it before, but when I had it before, it wasn't the Pokémon version, and I don't know that it had pieces of seaweed to put in it. Here's standard fried noodle. Here's our broth. It's a very salty shoyu, but it's nice. I like that. I could see myself eating all of that. But you know me. Somebody on YouTube sent me a message recently. They're like, "Hello, the," because I'm the Ramen Raider, so people call me the. Actually, they don't, but I kind of wish they would. I think it'd be humorous. Anyways, hello, the. So, I love instant noodles just as much as you do. Like, wow. And they were like, but I have a concern, and maybe you do too, about the health aspects of eating all these instant noodles. And then I had to break it to them that, like this bowl and the last episode, I might have the, I will. I can tell you that much right now. I'll eat that. Ooh, that was a thick slice, too. My homemade chashu, oh my god. My wife and I, we can make some music with a pork belly, let me tell you. Yes. Yes, we can. And it's good. I enjoy it thoroughly. So to just get rid of pork belly is very hard for me when we make the chashu. I have done episodes where I've used the same stunt chashu multiple times. In multiple bowls. This one came with it, this Narutomaki. It's a nice large slice. I like that. We'll add a little mound of sesame seed. Right there. And we're gonna add some chili crisp as well. But yeah, in the end, probably I'll have the chashu. I usually don't eat all the eggs because that's like, you gotta be crazy. I couldn't eat all the eggs that I go through. I would have epic high cholesterol. I don't know. And, but I do. I will put that on there and eat it like a taco. It's just that good, folks. I mean, really, it is just that good. But usually a lot of my garnish, I end up sticking in me gob and chewing. Let it go down and embrace me gutty works. Okay. Let's see how that goes. Rotato. So I do have this as well, but I'm not going to use it just yet because it's just going to shrivel. So at the end, I'll do that when I go to take the pictures. What I do with this that I figured out the other day, I just get a little spot like right there on the bowl wet, and I slide it down and I push it against it for a second and it sticks. It doesn't sink down. So that's pretty cool. I've been battling with that for a while. Alright, well cool, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this one, and this one came by way of Ferengi of Australia. Thank you so much. This is Maggi Chili a la Kampung Goreng. So it's a regional one. See this word here? That's Syok. And I think that's Singlish? There's like all these weird like English and Singaporean terms. This is Malaysian, I think. This could just be for the Singapore market. I'm really not sure. But yeah, there's Singlish. Things like, if you're gonna die, you're gonna up lorry. Yeah. Anyways, cool stuff, lah. Anyway, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.